Okay, it's Sunday morning and we're getting ready to hit the road, taking our Model 3 on its very first road trip. We're going to be going from Killeen up to Noster, Missouri. Where the hell is Noster, Missouri? So it's about a little over 700 miles, so we're going to check it out and see where we're going here. Got it all cleaned up in here, ready to go still. Okay, we're in the car here. Let's get ready to go on our trip, and I got it charged up overnight to 100%, and let's see what that is in miles. 357. It actually had 358 a second. Oh, there it is. 358 miles, which I think is what it's rated for, so that's surprising. So we'll find out how far it goes. Okay, we are going to stop in Italy, Texas in a few minutes and take a bathroom break. But as you can see on the thing, it tells us that we don't even have to charge in Italy, but we're going to charge, put a little extra in while we go to the bathrooms, and then we don't have to stop when we go through Dallas in case we get stuck in traffic. Okay, we're in Italy at the Love's truck stop. 461 for gas, but we're going to put this in. This is the first. Come on, open up. There we go. Let's see if it turns on. Yeah. There it goes. Let's see what it's doing on the inside here. Okay. Let's see here. Supercharging tips. Okay, I don't need that. All right, and we got 60% here, so let's see where it's going. Okay, it's up to 100 kilowatts. So, well, we're going to go to the bathroom and let it charge just a little bit, and we'll be on our way.
Oh my gosh, I told you Elon couldn't come with us. What is he doing?
There's Elon in the car, and we're the only ones here. Okay, we're in Denison, and we're charging. These are version 3 chargers, so see how this one's doing, but they don't have this gas station finished yet, so you have to go way over there and use the other gas station bathroom and store if you want anything before you get over here. Otherwise, you go over here to the little porta potties. But since we filled up a little longer where we didn't need to, it only says we have to stay here for 10 minutes. It says we only have to stay for 10 minutes, but we'll probably sit here a little longer just for some extra juice, because this is a long lake we're coming up to get to Tulsa next. But it's doing over 500. My Model S was doing good just to get to 370. Okay, we are up to 83%, a little more than we needed, and that means when we get to Tulsa, we only have to stay for like 20 minutes. But it's at a casino, so who knows how long we'll be there. We're at 15% here at the Hard Rock Casino. Let's see. This is a level 2 charger. I mean a version 2. Let's see what it's doing. It's going up to 15%. 800. I guess it's hanging out around 500, 110 kilowatts. I think the things are full except for one open spot. Okay, we're walking over to the casino for a bathroom break. Says we should be here about 35 minutes because all the cars that are charging right now. But we'll exercise our legs a little, go to the bathroom, maybe lose all of our vacation money on the casino, but probably not. And we made reservations for the night up in Joplin with a hotel that has a destination charger, so tonight we should be able to charge for free at the destination charger.
Thank you guys. Have a good night.
Okay, we are spending the night at the Best Western. I'm going to see if this charger is going to work. All right, let's see. It's blue. Oh, it's blinking green. Let me see what's inside here. 40 amps. Okay, that's good. All right, that'll be good for the night. It's in the morning, and I'm going to come out here, unplug the car, which filled up to 100%, so that'll get us plenty for the rest of our trip, actually. And let's see here. Plug this, and we'll hang this up. All right. Okay, and let me see where we are on the car here. 99% or 300. Okay, so it's still giving me like the full rating. I guess I haven't driven enough miles for it to figure out how many miles I'll actually get. But we'll get on the road here and continue our trip shortly. You'd think with a backup camera and everything, I could figure out how to park the car straight. Oh well. Okay, we are stopping at Nevada, Missouri, or I think they call it Nevada, Missouri here, but we're going to stop at this gas station charger, and we have 77%, and I know you're saying, but Traveling Mike, why are we charging when we only have 77%?
Traveling Mike, why are we charging when you have 77%?
Good thing you asked that. When we get up to Warrensburg and Noster, we're not going to have any superchargers, so we'll get up there and have plenty of juice to run around until we check into our hotel.
Well, that explains that.
Good. There it goes, green. Let's see. What are we doing up to? 77. It's not going to go very fast since it's already got a pretty full charge. All right, we're at Best Western in Warrensburg, Missouri, and we're parked over here on the side where the destination chargers are. And it's supposed to be a Tesla one, but it looks like they're both Sun Country chargers, so we'll just use what they have, but they keep them locked up, and when I get ready to plug in for the night, we'll have them unlock them for us. Okay, we're at Warrensburg, and we're at the hotel. We're going to be checked in here for a couple nights, and this is our trip. We made it here with 735 miles, so that's pretty good. And join me in a little bit here and I'll tell you my opinions on everything. I've got some stats here that I will pop up on the screen, and you can either freeze it or whatever, look at it, but it shows how much we actually paid for electricity, because we didn't use gas. But the electricity, since I don't get free supercharging anymore, it only was like around $30 to drive all the way up here. And the last stop, we didn't really even have to stop and put that in. That was like $2.80, but that was just a quick bathroom break and top off a little extra for when we got here to our destination, to run around until the hotel opened up to check us in. We're in the hotel room where we're going to be staying for a couple days, and I just want to give a couple thoughts of the new Model 3 that we've got, long range. And I think if anybody's looking to get one or recommending one to their friends, they should get the Model 3 long range. It really feels almost like a regular car as far as the range goes, because we never had any type of problem with range anxiety, or even when we'd stop, it goes a lot faster than my old Model S did as far as charging. And most of the time we just stopped, went to the restroom, maybe got a snack. We had way more than enough to get us further on our journey. The cruise control autopilot works a lot better than my older Model S, and I'm really impressed with that. And it's just a great car for road trips. This one was about 735 miles, and man, it was the easiest ride ever. So good job, Tesla, and anybody thinking of getting one, put your order in.